So we're here at the Liberty Reservoir.
Yeah.
And we tried a couple baits. You know, we're noobs. We don't know what we're doing really. We're fishing for the first time.
Tried,
I got the license like a month ago.
We have no idea what we're doing.
And we really don't. So we have our bobber and our live bait.
And we're going fishing.
Yeah, we went fishing. Or we are fishing.
Yeah.
That's my son Alexander. I'm Daniel. And we have we used our, what do we use? Fake baits first? We use fake baits. I don't know what we're fishing, but we can't fish. What can't we fish? There's a limitation on what we can fish on our license. Trout. Yeah, we can't fish trout, but I don't know what we're doing. Trout or fish, you know, whatever bites. So I'll show you what we've been using, and you guys tell me if it's right. This is where we're fishing. It's a nice day. It's just like the first warm day of the year.
Beautiful.
Yeah, just overcast. So you can tell like there's ice over there, and the ice is melting, and you can see the fog. So check this out. So we have our live bait here, our night crawlers. Okay. That we bought that from Walmart. We threw this, and then the only thing we caught with this were trees. Okay. We have power bait. We haven't even tried that yet. And we have these guys. I don't know. We have this. Guys, we really don't know what we're doing. We're just out here trying to be outside and trying to catch a fish for the first time. We're trying to get these fishies out here. You right? Slinging some lines, yanking faces is what we want to be, but we need to, you know, we thought we'd start small, right? With trees first. Catch trees first. And then if we can catch trees, then we should be able to catch fish.
Yeah.
Teach a man to catch a tree, he eats for a day. I think something like that. It's one of those sayings.